Drop my tears, maybe some years they're gonna fade away into the night when you get there, my dear. You know your life was worth a fight, oh fear. Looking in my rear, got so many memories stuck right there. Rest in peace in the light, 'cause our tears
So,
will fade
like father, like son.
What's good, Suzzanne? It's a girl Suzzanne, and I'm back with another leak video for you guys. Alright guys, so in today's video what we'll be doing is, I'm sure you guys can see by the title, but what we are doing is, I'm actually gonna share my recipe of making a banana cake with you guys. Yes, so that's what we're doing. Basically I have like my recipe and whatever ingredients I need in my book, which I normally use. I've tried this before and yeah, so I just thought maybe this time tunaweza jua sisi wote, we can actually share, all of us can know this whatever. So that's what we are doing, and it's not just sharing recipe, it's basically just making the whole thing, and you're going to be here during the whole process. So yeah, that's basically it. So before we get to the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn your bell notifications on to stay updated about every time I post, because we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So what I'll do, I actually have ingredients here, and I wasn't planning for this, so I just thought maybe we could do. So I don't know if I have everything at this time, at this point, but yeah, we'll work with what we have, and whatever we don't have, I think I'll just go and get. So I just share with you whatever I have here, and if I don't have anything, we'll head out and get, and I'll take you guys to pick whatever's that we need that are not here. So let me just show you what already we have. So in my book it says we need flour, plain flour. You know, some people use the ones that I don't know. Anyway, so in this book, it says we need plain flour, which is here. We need some baking powder. Jesus. Sorry. Baking powder. So we need flour. We need baking powder, which is here. Cinnamon powder is also here. Cinnamon powder. And then we need salt. Salt. Yeah, salt is here. Pure sea salt. And then we need sugar. This is sugar. You can use brown and white, or just brown or just white. Whichever sugar you have, it works. Yeah, so sugar. And then butter. We have butter, but this works the same. You can use this Blue Band, whichever you have. Or butter, or the normal oil. The one you guys use for cooking and stuff. Cooking oil also works. So what next? Eggs. We need 2 eggs, which are here. We need milk, a half cup of milk, and I'm out of milk. So what I'll do, that's one of the things we'll be getting. So help me write that down. Milk. We need milk, which is not here. I think we're done. We're out of milk. Okay, banana. 2 bananas. 2 bananas are here. That's okay. Vanilla essence. We need some vanilla essence. Okay, and chopped walnuts. Actually, I use nuts, the normal nuts. Njugu. Mimi natumianga njugu. So for njugu, I don't have also, I guess I'll just buy as I go buy milk. So we need milk, njugu. You guys, please remind me. And then yeah, so I guess we'll go. And then also I have this baking paper. You need that for this. Whatever for putting the mixture and whatever. But anyway, that one we are doing when we come back from wherever we're going to get the things. I'll just run to the store and, you know, yeah. Okay guys, so we are literally heading out. Ooh, the sun is good. It's good for some pictures. Anyway, it's too much on my face. So I guess we'll see you guys when we get to the store. Weird, right? Alright, so this is what happened. I was about to edit this video since I shot it yesterday, and I thought I shot everything, and then when I was like about to edit, I just realized I didn't have some other footages, like some footages from the video, which I couldn't just edit it without the footages. So what I did, that's why there's the change of hairstyle. What I did is I'm actually redoing it today. I'm just shooting the what we call it. I'm just shooting the footages that were missing, not everything, just the ones that were missing. So that's why there's like a different setup, and then there's this really. So that's what we're doing. Basically, I have everything now. Yesterday I didn't have everything, but yeah, now I have everything right here with me. So we'll just get straight to making the cake, because those are some of the footages that I don't have. We'll just get straight to it. Do you get? So I'm using a cup to measure, everything. So with the cup I'm using is this one. So if you're using such a cup, then that's the one you'll be using for the entire process. If you're using a different cup, then use the same cup on throughout the process, because if you change to use another cup or a different measurement cup, then you won't get the results that you're actually supposed to get. Do you get? Yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about that. So Okay guys, so this is how everything looks mixed. This is everything mixed all together. All we need to do is set the baking pan and then put it in the oven. So let's just do that right now. So to set the pan, what you need to do is put some oil in it. Like that, some oil, and then just apply all over the pan just for it to like that. Next, take the baking paper like this and just so like that, just put it all over it so that you put the mixture in it. And then, so here's our mixture, right? Here's our mixture. So what we'll do is just pour it inside. Like that. So this is how it looks before we take it into the oven. Yeah, that's our mixture put there. And then with this, they say bake it at 180 degrees for 55 to 60 minutes. So basically like 55 minutes, it will be okay. We'll just take that and put it into the oven. Oh, and before I forget, this is the part where you take the nuts and actually sprinkle on top before you put it into the oven. So just take your nuts, sprinkle on top, whichever much you need. Like, not that much, obviously, you can't finish a bag, but whichever much you need on your thing. Or if you don't need nuts, just do it like that. But if you want to put some nuts, then you just, this is the part where you sprinkle on top and then put it right into the oven and bake it at 180 degrees for 55 to 60 minutes. Okay guys, so that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned a thing or two from this video. If you did, just make sure you let me know in the comment section below. And also thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned with all the mashogororos inside there. But yeah, so before we end the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn your bell notifications on to stay updated about every time I post, because we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And Vlogmass is actually here. Vlogmass is here, so we'll just expect more videos from me basically. And yeah, I really enjoyed doing this video. The cake tasted amazing. I hope you can see like the picture on the thumbnail, and it was looking really good, which I love. And just thank you for staying tuned. So like, comment, subscribe, turn the bell notifications on to stay updated about every time I post, because we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Anyway, till next time, always remember to never quit. Bye.